A very good morning, dear students and parents. First and foremost, we hope and pray that you are staying safe. Today, I am your Paulmati teacher is going to teach general knowledge from the textbook Now You Know, a periwinkle publication. So, under the topic Animals and Plants, we are going to focus on the topic peaceful birds and extinct and endangered species. Today we are going to discuss about these two topics. So before beginning this topic, I'm going to show some videos of some peaceful birds. Just watch carefully. Then we are going to fill a puzzle. So children, let's start. Can you identify this bird? It is barn owl. It has heart-shaped face. Can you see the face? Heart-shaped it is, see, isn't it? See the eyes? It's black eyes and relatively long and slender legs. Typically nesting in farm buildings or in holes in trees. Next we are going to see, can you recognize this bird? Yes, it is a dove. It is a stout bird with a small head, short legs, and a cooing voice, feeding on seeds or fruit. Doves are generally smaller and more delicate than pigeons, but many kinds have been given both names. Children, can you guess this bird? Yes, it is kiwi. It is a flightless New Zealand bird with hair like feathers, having a long down curved bill with sensitive nostrils at the tip. Yes, it is crane. It is a bird with long legs, a long neck, and a long bill. Penguin. It is a large flightless sea bird of the southern hemisphere with black upper parts and white underparts and wings developed into flippers for swimming under water. Next we are going to see, can you able to recognize? Yes, this is eagle. It is a large bird of prey with a massive hooked bill and long broad wings known for its keen sight and powerful soaring flight. Next we are going to see, now we are going to see about ostrich. It is a flightless, swift running African bird with a long neck, long legs and two toes on each foot. It is the largest living bird with males reaching a height of up to 2.75 meter. This bird can run very fast. As you see in the picture, they are running very fast, but it cannot fly. Now we are going to see bar-headed goose. It is an Asian goose having a white head with two black bars on the occiput. Now we are going to see another interesting bird, that is owl. It is a nocturnal bird of prey with large eyes, a facial disc, a hooked beak, and typically a loud hooting call or a cry or noise, often in protest or opposition. Can you recognize this bird, children? Yes, it is Arctic terns. They are medium-sized bird. They have a length of 28 to 39 centimeter and a wingspan of 65 to 75 centimeter. They are mainly grey in color with a red beak and feet, white forehead and crown marked white and white cheeks. Arctic terns are long-lived birds, with many reaching 15 to 30 years of age. They eat mainly fish. Now it's time to fill the puzzles. So children, you all have observed the peaceful birds and the name of these birds have given in the help box. Now you have to read each and every sentences and look at the number carefully and fill these bird's name in this blanks. Number 5, can you identify in this box? Yes. So you have to fill these blanks with the help of this clue. It flies from the North Pole to the South Pole and back again. Any guess? You write down. Next is number 7. Can you identify where it is? Yes, number 7. This bird has the name of a machine used to lift heavy loads. It is the tallest American bird. Any guess? Yes, write down. Next is it swims and uses its wings like flippers. Number 8. Can you identify number 8? Yes, you have to fill this. Number 10. It is a nighttime bird of prey. Number 10. Can you identify where it is? Yes. Now you have to fill this blanks. Now next is it is an international messenger of peace. Any guess? Yes. You have to fill this number 11. Next we are going to see downwards. Now we are going to fill downwards. Number 1, this bird is too big to fly, but it can run twice the speed of the fastest Olympic runner. Any guess, children? Yes, you can fill this. Number 2, it is the highest flying bird. It is very simple. Everybody can write. Number 3, this bird is considered as the symbol of wisdom in European countries. This you can fill here. Number 4, this bird is the national bird of New Zealand. Very, very simple. It is only 4-letter word. Number 6, it is also known as the red bird, but only males sport the brilliant red plumage. Females are an attractive tan or grey. Can you guess, children? You can write very easily all these fill-ups. Now one more fill-up is there. Let's see what is that. Number 9. It is considered as the symbol of political and military might. Number 9. Can you identify? Yes, we have to write this. Now we are going to see an interesting topic. Very interesting topic. Let's see what is that. Now we are going to see what is extinction species. When all the members of the species disappear from the earth, it is called extinction. In the past, many species disappear. Some extinctions have occurred naturally, perhaps because of the changes in the climate. Other extinctions have been brought about by human impact on the environment. So what do you mean by extinction? You understood? Now we are going to see these extinction species one by one. Children, observe very carefully. It's very interesting. Oh, are you all excited to see this animal? Yes, everybody knows this animal. It is dinosaur. It was a type of reptile that became extinct about 65 million years ago. There were many different types of dinosaurs, some of which were extremely large. Next, we are going to see another interesting animal. Now look at the picture very carefully, children. See the dinosaur kicking a bird. Can you guess which bird is this? Yes, it is Dodo. It was a large, extinct, flightless bird with a stout body. See everybody? Stumpy wings, a large head, and a heavy hooked bill. It was found on Mauritius until the end of the 17th century. Now we are going to see another interesting species. What is this, children? Any guess? Yes, mammoth. Mammoth was an animal like an elephant with very long tusks and long hair that lived a long time ago but no longer exists. Next, we are going to see another interesting species, that is passenger pigeon. It was an extinct long-tailed North American pigeon noted for its long migration in huge flocks. It was relentlessly hunted, the last individual dying in captivity in 1914. Can you guess this animal now? Yes, it is Tasmanian wolf, or we can say Tasmanian tiger. This remarkable animal looked like wolf with tiger stripes on his back and tail, but it was more closely related to kangaroos than to tigers or wolves. The Tasmanian tiger wolf was a marsupial. It had a paw for its young, just like a kangaroo. Next, we are going to see another interesting species. Can you guess which species is this, children? Yes, it is sea cow, also called Steller sea cow. Very large aquatic mammal, now extinct, that once inhabited near shore areas of the Commander Islands in the Bering Sea. Stellar sea cows were wiped out by hunters in the 18th century, less than 30 years after they were first discovered by Arctic explorers. Children, isn't it interesting to see all these animals? Now, next we are going to see an endangered species. An endangered species one which is rare and threatened with extinction. Humans have destroyed the natural habitats of some animals and killed many animals blindly. This has put these animals in the list of endangered species. Now let's see what are these animals. Can you guess, children? Which bird is this? This is Siberian crane, also known as the Siberian white crane or the snow crane. It is a bird of the family, the cranes. Next, we are going to see a tiger, a very large solidarity cat with a yellow-brown coat striped with black, native to the forests of Asia, but becoming increasingly rare. So it is so sad, no? It is our national animal. Next, we are going to see. Any guess, children? Which animal is this? Yes, it is Asiatic cheetah. It is one of the world's most critically endangered big cats, tan color specked with characteristic black spots and weighing up to 143 pounds. Asiatic cheetahs are almost identical in appearance to their better known African cousins. However, there are subtle differences. Asiatic cheetahs are slightly more slender and have slightly longer legs. Moreover, because of the nature of these physical differences, some have speculated that Asiatic cheetahs might actually be the faster than their African cousins. Next, we are going to see another interesting species. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is giant panda, a large bear-like mammal with characteristics black and white markings native to certain mountain forests in China. It feeds almost entirely on bamboo and has become increasingly rare. Another interesting species, rhinoceros. It is a large, heavily built, plant-eating mammal with one or two horns on the nose. This rhinoceros is having two horns on the nose and also having a very thick folded skin. Native to Africa and Southern Asia, all kinds have become endangered because of hunting. So children, we need to protect these animals. So herewith, I am ending the lesson. Now you all have to practice the puzzles and cross-check the answers given in the next slide. Thank you, children.